Hello, friends. Today we are going to talk about EVS NCRT book, chapter number 6 Foods We Eat. But before that, we need to discuss about that what is a food? Food is something that people or animals eat. खाना वो खाने की सामग्री है जिसे लोग या जानवर खाते हैं. Next important thing that need to be discussed is need of food. That why do we need to eat the food? Food provides nutrient to our body like vitamin, calcium, proteins, fats, etc. It provides energy to our body. It helps in growth. Lastly, it helps in the functions of our body like digestion, respiration, etc. Few children are discussing the food they ate with each other. Let us see what they are discussing. तुम जानते हो कल रात मैंने रोटी खाई जो कि बाजरा और गुड़ से बनी हुई थी. ओह अच्छा, मगर मैंने तो कल दाल और चावल बनाकर खाए थे. कल हमारे घर में कुछ भी खाने के लिए नहीं था, इसलिए कल रात हमारे घर में कुछ भी नहीं बना. मेरी मम्मा ने तो कल फिश बनाई थी जो कि बहुत टेस्टी थी. मुझे तो खा के मज़ा आ गया. कल मेरी मम्मा हमारे लिए नूडल्स लेकर आई थी. जहाँ वो काम करती है वहाँ जो थोड़े से नूडल्स बच गए थे वो अंकल ने हमारे लिए दे दिए थे. वो नूडल्स भी बहुत टेस्टी थे. अरे कल तो पता है मैं गुरुद्वारे गया था अपनी दादी माँ के साथ और वहीं पर मैं लंगर छक कर आया था. वहाँ मैंने दाल और रोटी खाई थी. कल मेरी अम्मी ने खीर और पूरी बनाई थी जो कि मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने ऑमलेट खाया था कल. सो चिल्ड्रन, डिड यू सी वी ईट सो मैनी फूड आइटम्स लाइक कड़ी चावल, छोले पूरी, ग्रेवी चिकन, ऑमलेट्स, रोटी दाल, मटर कुलचा, पूरी आलू, डोसा और इडली सांभर. So children, do you know how many times in a day we eat food? We take meals thrice in a day. In the morning we take breakfast, in the afternoon we take lunch, and in the night we take dinner, and in between we take morning snacks, evening snacks, afternoon snacks, etc. We have many things in our plate to eat like breads, salads, cooked vegetables, pickles, curd, rice, pulses, non-vegetarian food items and sweets. So you all are feeling hungry or not? How do you get to know that you are hungry? मेरे पेट में चूहे कूद रहे हैं, मेरे पेट में भूख के मारे दर्द हो रहा है. ये सब बातें तो आपने सुनी रखी होंगी जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि हमें भूख लग रही है. मगर कई ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके पास खाने के लिए इतना खाना नहीं है, वो भरपेट खाना नहीं खा पाते. जैसे कि बेगर्स यानी भिखारी, गरीब लोग, पुअर पीपल जो कि छोटे कच्चा हाउसेस में रहते हैं या स्लम्स में रहते हैं, तो उनके पास इतना भी खाना नहीं होता कि वो भरपेट खा सकें. The different food groups. Vegetables. Vegetables make up the largest portion on the plate, which is 40%. They contain minerals, vitamins, and fibers. Proteins. Proteins make up 20% of the plate. Then grains. Grains comprises of 30% of the plate and consist of complex carbs and vitamins. Fruits. Fruits make up 10% of the plate, which provides fibers and vitamins. Dairy. A small amount of dairy in a glass like milk or a cup, example curd, is incorporated into the diet. These food groups can be classified under bodybuilding foods, protective foods, and energy giving foods. Bodybuilding foods helps us in building our body. like proteins. From chicken and pulses, we get proteins. Now, protective foods. Protected foods protect us, our body from the diseases. We get minerals and vitamins from these food items like fruits and vegetables. Now, energy giving foods. Energy giving foods are those foods which help us in getting energy. Like carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients that we get from cereals, fats, and sugars. So, the different food items are fruits, vegetables, pulses or cereals, grains, dry fruits, dairy products. We should have all these items in our meals to make it a balanced diet. A balanced diet includes food from all five groups and fulfills all of a person's nutritional needs. Now let us talk about the components of a food. There are 7 essential factors for a balanced diet. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fat, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and water. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates act as the main source of energy for the active mind. It includes breads, fruits, grains, sugar, and vegetables. Now, next nutrient is protein. Protein is the main structural component of cells and helps in building the body tissues. It breaks down into amino acids, which are building blocks of proteins in our body. Some of the sources of protein, like low fat meat, beans, eggs, and beans, should be consumed more and more. Third nutrient is fats. Fat is the source of energy that is consumed to increase the absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Sources of fat food are walnuts, fish, vegetable based oils, etc. Next nutrient is vitamins. Vitamins provide structure to the blood vessels, ligaments, and bones. The sources are strawberries, peppers. It helps us to prevent birth defects as well. There are many types of vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, D, K, etc. Minerals. Proper intake of sodium helps to maintain fluid volume of the cells and helps them to function normally. Bananas, tomatoes, and potatoes are rich sources of minerals. Consumption of milk and dairy products will help us to have calcium in our body in proper adequate amount. Fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrates that the body can't digest. Fiber help regulate the body use of sugars, helping to keep hunger and blood sugar in check. Water. Water is essential to eliminate or remove the undigested and harmful products or nutrients from our body. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. So, what do you think? Do all the members of your family eat the same food? Let us talk about Vipul's family. Vipul's grandmother is old and doesn't have teeth to eat tight food items. So, Vipul's mother used to give her soaked roti in the dal, khichdi, dal chawal, dal roti, etc. She is Vipul's younger sister. She is very small, so she doesn't have teeth to eat tight things. So she used to have milk and liquid foods. The other family members, like his father and mother, and Vipul himself, can eat anything that they want to eat. Young people can eat any food very easily. But old people and babies cannot eat some food very easily, like corn cob यानी कि भुट्टा यानी छल्ली, शुगर केन यानी कि गन्ना, वॉलनट्स यानी कि अखरोट, आलमंड्स यानी कि बादाम और मीट. But Old people and babies can eat few food items very easily, like roti in milk, दूध में हम अगर रोटी को सोक करें वो, रोटी इन दाल, रोटी को हम दाल में सोक करके खा सकते हैं, खिचड़ी, सीरियल्स इन मिल्क, दलिया और ओट्स, ये भी बूढ़े और बच्चे बहुत इजीली ये चीज़ें खा सकते हैं. Most of our food is made up of the things depending on the area in which we live in, what easily grow at that place, different things eaten at different places. For example, in Punjab, makki ki roti and sarson ka saag is very famous. In Gujarat, dhokla, fafda is very famous. In Maharashtra, vada pav. In Kerala, sambar, idli. All these dishes are famous. In most of the places, wheat and rice are available. We make lots of dishes with wheat and rice. Like from wheat, we can make rotis, chila, puri, halwa, prantha, poda, etc. Using rice, we can make kheer, pulav, idli, dosa, khichdi, biryani, etc. At your place, many things are easily available like rice, wheat, oats, millets, etc. A part of the availability of certain things, we things choose on the basis of our likes or dislikes. Like, some people like to have chicken whereas others do not like to have chicken. Salads, few people like salad and others may not like salad. Fishes, ice creams, fruits, like Raju likes to eat burger, pizza, etc. All these are junk foods. He should not eat all these type of foods. He should eat dal, roti, vegetables, salad, rice, etc. to have so many nutrients and minerals. All these items are cooked at home. They are hygienic, tasty and nutritious. Whereas hotel and restaurant cooked food are only junk foods. They doesn't provide us nutrients and vitamins. So, we should eat only home cooked food like dal, roti, chawal, puri, prantha, idli, sambar, etc. She is Li Chen. She used to live in Hong Kong. Her mother and Li Chen both love to eat snakes. Whenever she liked to eat snake, she used to go to her nearby hotel. She is Juni. She used to live in Kashmir. She liked to eat fishes cooked in mustard oil. Once she had visited Goa, she ate fishes, but it tastes very different. His name is Thomas. He used to live in Kerala and he loved to eat two things: boiled tapioca with any curry made using coconuts. It tastes very well. What are the reasons that decide what we eat? What is easily available at our place? What we can buy? Our customs and traditions, whether we like it or not, the freshness and the presentation of the food, the price, if it's healthy or not, and the climate we live in. Now put a tick mark on the things that can be eaten. Banana flowers, केले के फूल, इनकी सब्जी बनाई जाती है. Hen's egg, मुर्गी के अंडे, इनको भी ऑमलेट आदि के रूप में खाया जाता है. कॉलीफ्लावर यानी गोभी, इसकी सब्जी बनाई जाती है. ड्रमस्टिक फ्लावर्स, स्वंजने के फूल, इनकी भी सब्जी बनती है. लीव्स ऑफ अरबी, अरबी के पत्तों की भी सब्जी बनाई जा सकती है. मीट को भी पका के खाया जाता है. मशरूम की भी हम सब्जी बनाते हैं. रैट्स, वी डू नॉट ईट रैट्स. अनियन सीड्स, कलौंजी, इसको हम सब्जी बनाने में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. लोटस स्टेम का इस्तेमाल भी खाने में किया जाता है. फिश, कुक्ड फिश भी बनाकर खाई जाती है. क्रैब्स, कई जगहों पर क्रैब्स भी खाए जाते हैं एज अ सी फूड. रेड एंट्स आर यूजुअली नॉट ईटन. Frogs, we do not eat frogs. Grass, usually we do not eat grass as well. We should not eat leftover rotis as well. आंवला, आंवला का मुरब्बा, अचार, चटनी इत्यादि बनाई जाती है. Coconut oil, we use coconut oil in cooking. Camel's milk, ऊंट का दूध का इस्तेमाल भी किया जाता है. चने की रोटी और बाजरे की रोटी भी बनाकर खाई जाती है. So please tick all the things that can be eaten. We should always respect our food. हमें अपने भोजन का हमेशा आदर करना चाहिए. हमें कभी भी खाने को वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसे कई लोग हैं जो बहुत गरीब और पुअर हैं जिनको ये खाना नहीं मिल पाता. We should not waste our food. Thanks for watching it.